Welcome back to Futuristic Possible. Today, we are diving deep into a question that could change the way we think about media, technology, and the very way we experience information. In the future, YouTube may be something we can barely imagine today. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on what you think YouTube will become in the next 10, 20, or even 50 years. Your opinions could be featured in our future videos. Right now, YouTube is the world's largest video platform. Billions of people watch, create, and share content every single day. But the future of YouTube could be completely different from the YouTube we know. One possibility is AI-generated videos. Imagine this. You type, "Make me a travel vlog in Tokyo," and in seconds, YouTube produces a fully edited video. It has realistic visuals, a voiceover explaining every detail, background music, and even cinematic effects. The crazy part? Every person watching it could get a slightly different version, perfectly customized to their preferences, age, or mood. And it doesn't stop there. YouTube may move beyond our screens entirely. With augmented reality glasses, holograms, or even brain-computer interfaces, videos could appear in your room as interactive 3D experiences. You could walk around a science experiment in your living room, cook alongside a virtual chef, or explore distant planets from your couch. Imagine stepping inside a music video or documentary and being able to examine every detail up close. Videos could become worlds, not just content you watch, but experiences you live. Another major shift could be in personalization and intelligence. Today, YouTube recommends videos based on your viewing history. But in the future, YouTube may understand your emotions, your energy level, even the time of day. It could suggest content that makes you feel happy when you're sad, motivates you when you're tired, or educates you when you're curious. Your YouTube experience might feel less like a platform and more like a personal guide or digital companion, anticipating what you need before you even know it yourself. The creator economy could also change dramatically. Right now, creators earn through ads, sponsorships, or memberships. But in the future, YouTube may integrate blockchain-based microtransactions, letting creators earn instantly for every view or interaction. Videos could have interactive narratives, branching endings, or hidden surprises that viewers unlock by participating. You could influence the story as it unfolds, turning passive watching into active participation. YouTube may become more like a collaborative platform where creators and viewers co-create the experience in real time. Virtual reality and immersive technology will take things even further. Instead of watching a travel vlog in Paris, you could walk through the streets of Montmartre, smell the fresh bread from a bakery, and hear the chatter of local markets. Music videos could be explorable worlds. Podcasts could become interactive rooms where you converse with hosts. And documentaries could place you inside historical events. Watching videos could evolve from observing to experiencing life in another world. But the future isn't just exciting, it's also challenging. Hyper-realistic deepfakes could blur the line between real and fake content. AI may replace some human creators, raising questions about creativity and originality. Over-personalization might limit exposure to different perspectives, and privacy concerns could escalate as platforms learn more about our behaviors and emotions than ever before. The future of YouTube may be as risky as it is revolutionary. So, in the coming decades, YouTube may be bigger, smarter, and more immersive than we can imagine today. It could evolve from a simple platform for sharing videos into a fully interactive, AI-powered, holographic universe where education, entertainment, and social interaction merge. The question isn't just what YouTube will become, it's whether we are ready for it. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of technology, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Futuristic Possible, and leave a comment sharing what you think YouTube will look like in the future. Your idea could inspire our next video. Until next time, stay curious, stay futuristic, and remember, the future is possible.